SDK.finance. Hi, let me show you a short demo case about reconciliation for a list of transactions. To do this, you need to obtain files containing transaction lists from an accountant or another responsible person. The document should contain transaction information in 4 columns: transaction ID, transaction date, transaction amount, and transaction currency. First, let's consider the case when there are no mismatches in the file and the system. To do this, go to the Reconciliation tab. Select the File section. Click the Upload File button. Select the file you need and click Upload it. Ready. Check the Files tab for the file status. We see that the file status is parsed, which indicates that the file was successfully processed. Everything is okay. We can start the reconciliation. To do this, go to the Reconciliation tab. Select Transaction Reconciliation. You can also use the Reconciliation Type filter for this. After this, click the View Details button. We are starting the reconciliation process. Click the Start Reconciliation button. Select the file and set the period for reconciliation, the day or period of time for which the reconciliation is carried out. Click the Start Reconciliation button. Ready. The reconciliation status is reconciled, which means there are no mismatches. The file status will also change from parsed to reconciled. Next, we will consider the option of conducting reconciliation for a list of transactions with mismatches in the file and the system. As in the previous case, you need to upload the file and start the reconciliation process. We see that the file status is also parsed. Go again to the Reconciliation tab. Select Transaction Reconciliation. After this, click the View Details button. Click the Start Reconciliation button. Select the file and set the period for reconciliation. Click the Start Reconciliation button. Ready. We see that the reconciliation status is warning, which indicates that mismatches have been found. We go into the record details and see the list and reasons for all the mismatches present. They can be as follows: transaction not found, when any of the transactions is missing. Wrong currency, mismatch of the currency in which the transaction was made. Wrong amount, mismatch of the transaction amount. Wrong date, mismatch of the date. Wrong transaction status, mismatch of the transaction status. By clicking on the Resolve button, we can resolve the mismatch while specifying some necessary description or reason. For example, the date was corrected. Currency mismatch resolved. Unrecorded transaction reconciled. After resolving all the mismatches, the status of such a reconciliation will change to resolved. That's all. Thank you for your attention.